Hello guys, people are digging up the earth to make new road at Ranka. This is Ranka road at its finest. So that JCB is digging the earth very violently, Volvo, and putting the dirt in the trunk of the truck. So they are widening the road of Ranka, and
ए साथी हिजो हामी
it
पार्किङ गयो नि
looks
के हो
just as awful
हिजो हामी पार्किङ जाँदाखेरि त्यो उयो पम्मेनको घर हो भन्दै देखाउँदै थियो नि
as
त्यो
a
मुनिपट्टि
natural
त्यो घर थियो।
disaster.
त्यो हो
You know,
पम्मेनको घर हो ए त्यसकै घर हो
this too is a national. This too is a disaster for
होइन,
nature
अघि
because you know
लाई पठाएको थियो छिर्किने भन्दै थियो अन्त
this huge machine is
ए उसलाई त
scratching and
देखेको
digging
जस्तो
up the
लाग्यो
earth
भन्दै थियो नि त कि अन्त तपाईँले
to make road for people, to make road for machines,
Ready,
vehicles. You know.
गुम्बा चाहिँ के गर्नु गएको
In the process of making or widening this road, they've cut down many trees. They've dug up many
किन के हुँदैछ
places. They've cut down many trees, causing landslides.
ल ल
Lots of problems to animals as well as people also. But you know how people are. They want roads and bridges more than they want trees or water or rocks. Let me show you a clear view. I don't know where they are gonna dump this dirt, earth, mud.
माथि गएर बोट
This is making of new road at Ranka NH highway. Zero mein huncha. They are making a new road. They are making highway, widening the road at Ranka 0 point. See how this car is overtaking us so recklessly. So as you can see, they're almost done with back cutting and carpeting of the new road. And this curve right here is a dangerous one because right there an accident happened like before 2-3 months where an old lady was killed instantly